Well, super cool of the guys at Waverox to send me a demo of their unit. Join me as I join what millions of other YouTubers have already known, that opening new tech products is somehow exciting for everybody. Congratulations, you've been selected for closed testing and the first to receive exclusive access to Waverox technology. Nice. Look at that. That's cool. Geordie LaForge.
Yeah, come back, fight. Ooh-wee.
Is this gonna be my new look from now on? What do you think? Well, let's turn it on. Let's figure it out.
We'll show him what this baby can do, sir.
So I've been very grateful to be working with this device now for a few weeks, and I want to share with you some of the most interesting things that I discovered while using it. When you finally get it calibrated and tested to your brain, it's going to give you a readout of essentially your brain's personality type. I don't know what else to call it. Think of it like a horoscope or something, but it's theoretically based on data. It ranks you according to what your skills are, which is wild. It sounds like pseudoscience, and I myself must admit I'm a little skeptical about it. But for me, I ranked super high in managerial skills, super high in entrepreneurship, lower in creativity. That may be obvious to the people of you out there who have not laughed at a single joke I've ever made, but still it was interesting to see that it identified me, who is essentially in my profession an entrepreneur and a manager most of all, that it picked that up. What I do most is run a company and manage people. Is that a coincidence, or is it really interacting with my brain data? Wait, it's telling me I need to sit down because I'm lazy and out of shape. That's the power of understanding your brain better. I personally would prefer the headphones because I wear them all day anyways. This is a bit restrictive. It really needs a tight fit in order to connect with your brain. They also make headphones. This is going to be inside your earbuds, your Apple AirPods, and pretty much all of your tech in the near future. So this is just a step. Clearly understanding your brain is the next frontier. It's very exciting. Interfacing with and understanding oneself at a neurological level is obviously a very cool part of the future, and one that I'm excited to be a part of. I think we're all going to find that this type of tech is going to help us be more productive, take better breaks, and hopefully take care of our mental health in ways we never could before. So thanks, Nick Ershov. Thank you to the Waverox team for letting me be a beta tester. Really appreciate it. It certainly opened my mind a lot, and I'm very grateful for the experience. Peace.